Hello, thank you for joining me for a new and exciting tutorial on the square one. I'm using today the YUXIN Little Magic Magnetic Square One. Then I'm going to show you a few tips about this. Let's get started. So the one thing you need to know about the square one is how the number system works. Um, These little edges here are considered one. Like there, this, this. These are considered one. The corners, like here, is considered two. That's two. Two, two. Same on the bottom. Two, one, two, one. So when you do the moves on the square one, you do it by number. And I'll give you an example. Like if like this is two, so if it says for the move to do +2 or 2 for the top layer, because the first number will be for the top layer, so 2 or +2 would be, well, first you got to know this is the slice here where uh, this crevice is right here where it moves. So once you turn it 2, 2, that's 2. That's I'm sorry. Yeah, once you turn it one time this way, it's considered 2. That's +2. If you turn it this way once with this piece and it lines up right here, that's 1. So if you have where you have to do 3, this is 1, this is 2, so you do 1 plus 2 is 3. Do that again. 1 and 2, you come 1 and then 2, that's 3, then you turn it. So that's for the top layer that's going that way, that's +2 or 2, just 2. -2 on the top layer is going the opposite way, this way. That's -2. If it's -3, you do 2 and then +1, that's 3. If it's -4, you do 2, 3, 4. So that's how the top layer works. Like an example, like let's say if you had to do -2, -2, you do it once this way, then you turn it. If you had to do -3, you do it that, and then you turn it. Or if you do +3, you do 1 plus 2, then you turn it. Now on the bottom layer, it's a little bit different. The negative is considered going that way, this way. So if it's -2, you just do it one time here, going that way, but you can't turn it right this time. But like for example, if you had to do it, that would be 2, -2. If you had to do -3, you do 2 plus 1, that will be 3, then you turn it. If you had to do -4, you do 2, 3, 4, then you turn it. If you do, it'll just say 2 or 1 or 3 or 4, that's going this way. So if it's like for example, if it says like for example -3 for the top layer, which will be the first number, and then on the bottom layer it says 2, just 2, not negative, but 2, is going this way. If it says 3, it would be 2 and then 3. So if it's like, let's say for example on top, it's let's say it's -3. So we do, you do 2, 3, and let's say it's 3 on the bottom, just 3, not negative. You do 2, 3, then turn it. So that's the number system. I just wanted to go over that just to get the basics down. This is called the slice. So like let's say you did on this +3 on top, you do 3, slice. If you did it going this way, like negative, it would be 2, 3, that would be negative going this way, and then slice. It's a slash. So I just wanted to go over the basic numbers on this just to get an idea of how to do it, because on my next tutorial I'm going to show step by step how to do it with the numbers and everything. And just a sneak peek, the first step on solving the square one is to get this like pinwheel circle, or just a circle with all 8 of these edge pieces together. You get all 8 together, and this is the actual first step. You have to complete this and put all 8 together in order to do the next step. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day.